The Vilros Wave Raspberry Pi 5 compatible aluminum alloy case is a case designed to passively provide massive cooling to a Raspberry Pi 5 board, and also provide active fan cooling for when the passive cooling is not enough. Not only does the case contact the onboard chip to pull heat away from the board, it also features a wave/fin design to dissipate the heat from the case. Follow these steps to install the board into the case. Ensure that the on-off button is in place and that the screw holes on the button and case align. Remove the sticker from one side of the thermal conductive pad and apply the pad onto the chip contact point of the top part of the case. Once applied, remove the sticker from the other side of the pad. Plug the fan cable from the case into the fan port on the board. Insert the Raspberry Pi board HDMI port side first. If you want to block SD card access, insert the SD card and place the SD card cover over the SD card and then continue to the next step. Place the back cover in place and attach using the 4 screws. Note, the back cover will settle into place as it is tightened. If desired, apply the silicone pads as shown.